Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about 10 websites through which you can make $100 per day online. You should note that these websites are not fake. These are very legitimate websites that really work. And in this video, I'm going to point out these websites to you, and it will be up to you to sign up on one of them and start seeing how you can make $100 a day. If this is something that you're interested in, please continue to watch this video, and I'm going to show you this website, and then you can start making money online. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and on this channel, I make videos about how you can make money online, and I also talk about different business ideas. If this is something that you're interested in and you would like to learn more, why not subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. There are many ways to make money online, but you need to know where to make money from. I'll be showing you 10 websites where you can sign up and start making $100 a day. Making $100 a day, it's a lot of money. Just think about making $100 a day. In 1 month, that's in 30 days, that's already $3,000. So if you take this website seriously, you start signing up and following their processes, then you will see yourself being able to make money online. The first website is called MaxBounty. As you can see here, this is an amazing website that you can earn a lot of money from. In fact, you can make crazy amounts of money from like $10 to $100 per day if you focus on it. MaxBounty is simply a CPA network that stands for cost per action. It is like an affiliate network, but they pay you different rather than a traditional affiliate network website. In a traditional affiliate website, they pay you out anytime someone buys from your link. But with MaxBounty, they actually pay you out every time someone completes an action. It can just be like putting in their email, or someone enters their email address or phone number or whatever, and you're going to get paid. So there are a lot of different offers here on this website from different niches, and the majority of the offers basically require someone to enter their email address. So if you share that offer with people and you get people to enter their email address on MaxBounty, they will pay you out like $1 to $3, sometimes even more. And the great thing is that they don't need to buy anything. All they need to do is just enter their details. So you can see how relevant this MaxBounty is. What you need to do is just to get a link from this website for whatever product that you choose to market. If you sign up on this website and you take it seriously, there is a great possibility that you'll be able to make $100 a day from this website. The next website you probably know about, I've spoken about it a lot, it's called Fiverr. You've heard about Fiverr. A lot of people use Fiverr. You don't have to worry about anything, because it's so easy to make money from this platform. A lot of us have skills that we can sell. All you need to do is to come to Fiverr. You choose your skill. You can see here they have a lot of skill. They have graphic design, writing, translation. I've done videos about this. I'm going to put the link in the description, and also you can see the link now showing on the screen. You can click there and watch videos about how you can make money on Fiverr. But this is one of the websites where it's so easy to make $100 a day. If you want to sell a skill, if you have a skill that you want to sell, I think all of us have something that we have to offer. So Fiverr is that platform through which you can make $100 a day. The next website where you can make $100 a day is this website called Udemy. Udemy is an online course marketplace where you can upload training courses about anything, and then people log on and purchase them from you. This platform is useful for anyone who wants to start out and you don't have traffic, you can afford paid ads, and you don't have any following on social media. You can use Udemy. The reason why Udemy is good and it's easy for you to make money is because all you need to do is to create a course, and in order to create a course is very simple. You just need to be very good in something, And there are tools online that you can use to create your course. So once you create your course, you upload it here on Udemy. And then because it's a platform that gets a lot of traffic, they will also advertise your course for you. And then you make a lot of sales. And with that, you'll be able to make $100 a day. To make courses that will sell are very, very easy. You can watch YouTube video to make courses. You can read on Google to create courses. So it mustn't be something that you're very, very good at. You can also do it on something that you're good at. So Udemy, it's one of the platforms where it's easy for you to start making $100 a day if you take it seriously. The next website I'm going to talk about is Etsy. Well, you might have heard about Etsy and seen it before, but you've never used it. However, Etsy basically is a marketplace for handcraft products. Here on Etsy, people sell random things like bracelets, bows, you can sell t-shirts, you can sell branded craft work. For example, if you have something special that you can create from home, by yourself, this is a great website for you to sell on. The next website I'm going to show you is called Flippa. Flippa is an online marketplace for buying and selling websites or online businesses. There are a few different ways that you can make money on this website. The first way to make money on Flippa is by designing a website from scratch and then selling it on Flippa. That's the first way. Another way in which you can make money on Flippa is by buying a website at a cheaper price, improve the website, and then sell it at a higher price. That way you'll be able to get your money back and make some extra profit. The last way that you can actually make money on Flippa is you go to Fiverr that we discussed earlier and then find someone to design a website for you. Once the site is done, you can then sell it on Flippa and make your profit. So that's how you can make money on Flippa. It's a great way, especially for those who are interested in web design. You can do search and sell that website on Flippa. The next website where you can make $100 a day, it's called Kindle Direct Publishing. This is an Amazon website which allows you to sign up for free to upload an ebook and then to publish it into Amazon. Yeah, you can make some interesting amount of money. And remember that in my other video, I've shown you how you can get free books. In that video, I show you how you can own a book you didn't write. So if you can follow that video, which I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm also going to put the link somewhere. If you check the screen, the link has just popped up. You can click there and you can watch the video in which I talk about how you can own a book without writing it. So if you can follow that video, then you can publish it here on Kindle Direct Publishing, which is an Amazon website. So this is another website where it's possible for you to make $100 a day if you are dedicated to. You can sign up for free. You can get access to a free account that will allow you to start selling books. The next website I'm going to talk about is called Upwork. Upwork is similar to Fiverr in a way where people offer their services, but with Upwork they charge per hour or per job depending on your contract. So you can sign up and start offering your services regardless of your location and start making some extra cash. There are hundreds if not thousands of opportunities on Upwork. Some of the best paying jobs in Upwork include things like web design, coding, software development, and a lot more. If you write in translation, all of these things you can see here: writing, translation, sales, marketing, admin and customer support, finance and accounting. So these are some of the great niches that sells here on Upwork. So if you know that you have a skill in this, you just need to come up here, put up your account, and you can start getting paid per hour, and you can charge however you want. So this is another great website where it's possible for you to make $100 per day. The next website I'm going to talk about is called Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate network and it's got a lot of different offers for different niches. So it has different things like arts and entertainment, business, education, health, fitness, a lot of niches. You can sign up to this as an affiliate for free. Create an account and then go to the affiliate marketplace, and then you can take any of the products that you like to promote. So this is a great way for you to make $100 a day. The next website is called Google Adsense. If you don't know, Google Adsense, it's basically Google's network, and it's the adverts that appear in front of YouTube videos that you can make money from. These are also ads that appear on blogs. You can see ads. These are also ads that appears on blogs and websites. With Google AdSense, you will definitely earn money from your online content. However, you will need to match the ads on your website depending on your visitors and your content. The advertisers create and pay for the ads. However, the amount that you earn will vary since the advertisers pay different prices for different ads, which means that if you are doing an ad on marketing or money, maybe those who are involved in advertising in that niche will pay higher than those who are advertising on things like relationship. This is one of the best ways for you to make $100 a day, because once you have a content online, a website, or you have a YouTube video or a blog, all you need to do is to add AdSense to your website, and then you can start getting paid. And it's possible for you to make $100 a day using AdSense. And the last website for this video is called Amazon Associate. Amazon Associate is basically Amazon's affiliate network affiliate program. The good thing about Amazon Associate is you are actually promoting products that people already know about. If you choose to promote branded products, you can leverage the brand and then the brand's following as well as the awareness of the product. So with Amazon Associate, you don't get paid out high commissions mostly, but it's likely up to 12%, although it's usually around 5% commission every time someone buys through your link. But the thing is that those products from Amazon are already known, and it's really possible for you to get a lot of buys, because Amazon is the platform that everyone in the world buy from the most. So even though the commission is low, but let me tell you, those products you advertise through these websites, you get a lot of buys, and therefore you are able to make a lot of sales and get paid a lot of commission. Therefore, it's very possible for you to make $100 a day from Amazon Associate. You just need to promote as many products as possible. So guys, this is what I had for you today, talking about the 10 websites that you can make $100 a day from. All you need to do is to choose one of these websites that I've shown to you. Try to go through the process. Take it seriously, and you're going to find yourself making $100 a day. Remember that making $100 a day, it's not easy. You need to have the willingness, and you need to put in the work. And that's something that most of us are not ready to do. We just want something that is very quick. There are a lot of videos telling you about how to make money online, but if you don't take the step and take what you have to do seriously and put in the work and the effort, hard work, you will find yourself not being able to make money online. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope someone is going to take it seriously, choose one of these websites and start making money online. Through these websites I've shown you, you are able to make $100 a day. Like I said, if you put in the work. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel and to encourage me to bring you more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time when I make another video. Bye bye.